Hello, students. Welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today, now we are going to read about some common names and some special names. So, now let's start with the lesson. See, you can see some picture. There is one picture here of the classroom. Here is the teacher. She is entering in the class and see what the students are doing. Abhishek is a boy. He is making a paper boat. So he is making a paper boat. His name is Abhishek. Zoya is a girl. She is coloring a picture. So she is coloring a picture and her name is Zoya. Rahman is writing in his notebook. It's Rahman. He is writing in his notebook. Lata and Nana are talking. Lata and Nana, they are talking. Miss Sharma is the English teacher. She is entering in the class. So here is Miss Sharma, English teacher. She is entering in the class. Now we have to fill the table with the correct name. The name of the teacher is Miss Sharma. So we will write here Miss Sharma. Boys, the name of the boys are Abhishek and Rahman. Abhishek and Rahman. So we will write here Abhishek and Rahman. Now girl's name. It's Rana, Zoya and Lata. So we will write here Zoya, Lata and Nana. Okay, now we will move to our next exercise, that is boys is a common name for all the boys and girls is a common name for all the girls in the class. However, each boy and girl has their own special name like Ravi, Arun, Asha, Tanya. Similarly, places, animals and things, they also have their own special name. For example, I live in Bhopal. It's a special name of a place. Or you can say I live in Lucknow. It's a special name. It's a city. Sunday is a holiday. It's a special name of a day in a week. Sumi's birthday is in December. It's a special month. My dog name is Woofy. It's a special name of an animal. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? It's a special name of a monument. And my favorite storybook is Black Beauty. It's a special name of a story book. Now, here you have to write about yourself. Students, as suppose one of your name is Ravi. Your last name may be Gupta, Ravi Gupta. Your village or your town or a city where you are living, suppose you are living in Jankipuram, Lucknow, so you will write here the Jankipuram and Lucknow. What's your name of your school? Dr. I.D. Rastogi Academy. Okay. Then you have to write your class teacher name here, your best friend, your favorite book, your favorite television show, your favorite restaurant, and your favorite food. Now we have to arrange the naming words. Remember, begin all the special names with capital letter, and there are two blocks are given here. One, it's a common name which we will give the name CN, and special name it is SN, and we have to write in this block. So now let's start with the table. Table is common name, Naresh proper name, your special name, Diwali special name, Chota Bheem it's a special name, Yamuna is a river, it's a river, so it's a special name, Agra is a city, special name, book, common name, strawberry, special fruit, special name, city, common name, Iran, special name, fruit, common name, chocolate, it's a common name, man, common name, Mumbai, special name, school, common name, and Thomas is a proper name. And you have to write with the capital letter, right? The last one was Thomas, the T will be capital, then Thomas, or you can say Iran, you will write the capital letter Iran, Mumbai with a capital letter M. Now write a special name for these things with any three letters of your choice. Any three letter. First one already given. It is D. D for Deepika for the girl, D for Dilip for the boy, D for Denmark the country, D Dehradun, and the television character is Dora. Now we can write with P. P. So it may be for the girl it's Pinky. For boy it's Picky. For country you can say Pakistan. P for Pakistan. And city it is Patna. And your character is Pokemon. Now here we can write, it was P, now F. It's Fatima for the girl, Firoz for the boy, Finland, the country, Firozabad, it's a city, and the character is Flora. Then the last we can write K for the girl, Kim, for the boy it's Karan, country Kenya, city Kolkata, and character Kiara. Now let's move to our next exercise. That here you have to, it's an activity that you have to make a group of 5 and you have to write a special name in these groups. Okay, now you have to fill this table. Boy's name. So boy, you can write Ravi, Rajat, Raghav. River, Ganga, Gomti, Ghaghra. Girl, Renu, Suman, Kajal. Cartoon character you can write Dora, Chota Bheem, Chota Bheem, and another you can write your Pokemon. Days of the week you can write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Month of the year January, February, March. Festival, it's a Diwali, Holi, and Eid. Storybook, you can say Black Beauty, Cinderella, and Panchtantra. City, you can say Lucknow, Delhi, Mumbai. Here see words such as boy, girl, cow, dog, village, they all are common noun. And when you are giving the special name of a person, place, animals or thing, it's a proper noun. Like for example, boy is a common noun. If say Ravi, it's a proper noun. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.